So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your videos ranked higher in the YouTube search results. So to do this is just one technique that I use that's really effective for ranking videos higher in the YouTube search results. So basically, we want to use Google Trends for this. And we want to search for video ideas and topics that we might be looking to do for our next video. Now let's say I have a gaming channel and I'm going to search the topic of Nintendo. So this will bring up data on trends that have been happening over a period of time that we can check out. Now we want to make sure that we set the period of the data to 30 days or less. I like to do 30 days. So this means the trends that we're going to be looking at are quite recent, and so we know they could be still good video ideas. So we'll come down, scroll down a bit. Now this gives us related queries of different topics to do with Nintendo that people are searching. So you can see we have it here set to web search. So people are searching these topics in the Google search engine. Now we can see that Nintendo Direct is a breakout. So they'll give you topics that have just broken out, and then topics that with a percentage representation of how popular they are. But this looks like it could be quite a good topic to check out, the Nintendo Direct July 2020, which is a Nintendo gaming event that just happened. So we can click on that, and what we'll do is we'll copy and paste this keyword, and then we'll jump over to YouTube and we'll put it in here. So we can search that. Now, using this method, you need to use the Google Chrome extension TubeBuddy, which is a really good YouTube analytics tool. It's free. There is a paid version as well. I actually recommend the paid version because it allows you to do unlimited searches of different keywords every day, whereas the free version has a cap on how many keywords you can search every day and get that analytical data. And it can be a real pain when you're searching for topics and then you suddenly can't look at any data anymore. It's very cheap anyway, but it's up to you. You can download, if you haven't got it already, the free or paid version. I'll put a link down below in the description. Just go through that link and you can download the TubeBuddy Chrome extension. Anyway, so we can use TubeBuddy now to look at some analytics for this keyword Nintendo Direct July 2020. So we'll click here for weighted. Now this will bring up some useful data for us. So I can see that the number of videos that come up for this search term is 55.1k, which is quite low. So that already tells me it could be quite an attractive not only topic but keyword to target, because this tells me the competition for this keyword is quite low and it will give us a good chance of ranking our video high in the search results for this keyword. But I'd like to tailor it a bit further, and we can use this related field here to look at some related search terms. So I like this one here, Nintendo Direct July 2020 reaction video. So it means we could do a reaction video on the Nintendo Direct event. Now look at that jumps it down to 12.2k. Competition, it's showing it's very low, and yeah, so this would be quite a good keyword to target, and we would have a very good chance, I would think, of ranking our video very high in the search results, which is great for getting good traction for this video and a larger portion of views. So you can see here TubeBuddy will give you a little bit of an idea. It says this keyword isn't too competitive and has enough search volume to make it worth targeting. Now, while it does say the search volume here is poor, that is relative. I mean, maybe millions of people aren't searching it, but definitely people interested in the Nintendo Direct conference would be searching this type of keyword. So I would say this would be a great one to target, which has good chances of getting your video ranked highly in the search results. So this is the method that I'm trying to teach you, using Google Trends to explore and search for video topics. Find a topic that is on trend now and that has a low competition and not many people have made videos on that topic already. And that's going to give you a much higher chance of ranking that video highly for that keyword in the YouTube search result. Now I'm going to show you an example of a video I've actually used this exact method for and ranked the video in the number, I think it was 1 or 2 in the search results. So this is one of my previous videos, how to calculate your TikTok earnings, and basically it was a video on showing you a tool that can help you identify, based on how many followers you have on TikTok, the potential earnings you could be charging to do shout outs and paid ads and those sort of things. Anyway, I identified on Google Trends that if we can find it here, TikTok calculate how much money this keyword was on trend at the time. No one had done any videos on it, and so I did a video on it, and within a week or so it was ranked number 1 or 2 in the search results. And this has been one of my definitely one of my more popular videos, with 11.2k views at this point in time. And I used the exact method that I just taught you before. So there are lots of ways to rank videos higher in the search results, but this is definitely can be quite an effective way. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I really hope it helps you not only find new topics for your future videos, but will help you get those videos ranked high in the YouTube search results. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.